Miles and Daddy on our third train of the day. What a treat. Rail fanning. Here it comes. Oh my goodness, look at that. Here it comes, Miles. I wonder what kind it is. Is it going to be another CSX or Norfolk Southern? Or are we going to get a special treat and see a Union Pacific? Looks like another CSX. Wow! You see it? Do you see the choo-choo? Here it comes. Here it comes. Here it comes. Looks like he's going pretty slow, huh? Pretty cool, huh? Wow. 3 in 1 day, huh? All the lumber cars and the liquid transport. And there's the hoppers, the coal hoppers, grain hoppers, box cars. I don't see any steel on this one. That steel is on the last one. No caboose. They just don't use cabooses anymore. There's some big pipes. Pretty cool, huh?